Resistance. Do you know what is resistance? The opposition offered by a substance to the flow of electric current is called its resistance. We already know that current is the flow of free electrons, so the resistance is the opposition offered by the substance to the flow of free electrons. This opposition occurs because atoms and molecules of the substance obstruct the flow of these electrons. Substance like metal, such as silver, copper, aluminium, etc., offers very little opposition to the flow of electric current and are called conductors. Substances like glass, rubber, mica, dry wood, etc., which offers very high opposition to the flow of electric current are called insulators. In other words, the resistance is the electric friction offered by the substance and causes production of heat with the flow of electric current. Unit of resistance. The practical unit of resistance is ohm and is represented by the symbol ohm. A wire is said to have a resistance of 1 ohm if a potential difference of 1 volt across it causes 1 ampere to flow through it. There is another way of defining ohm. That is, a wire is said to have a resistance of 1 ohm if it releases 1 joule when a current of 1 ampere flow through it for 1 second. Factors upon which resistance depends. First one. The resistance R of a conductor is directly proportional to its length. That is, R is proportional to L. Second one. The resistance R of a conductor is inversely proportional to its area of cross-section. That is, R is proportional to L by A. Third one. It also depends upon the nature of material. Fourth one. It depends upon temperature. So finally R is proportional to L divided by A or is equal to rho into L divided by A. Here L is the length of conductor and A is the area of cross-section. Rho is a constant known as resistivity or specific resistance of the material. Specific resistance or resistivity. We have seen earlier that R equal to rho into L divided by A. If L equal to 1 meter and A equal to 1 meter square, then R equal to rho. Hence, specific resistance of a material is the resistance offered by 1 meter length of wire of material having an area of cross-section of 1 meter square. Also, specific resistance of a material may be defined as the resistance between the opposite faces of a meter cube of the material. Unit of resistivity. We know that R equal to rho into L divided by A. And rho equal to R into a day width by L. Rho equal to ohm into meter square divided by M. That is equal to ohm meter. If length is measured in centimeter and area of cross-section in centimeter square, then unit of resistivity will be ohm centimeter. The resistivity of materials varies over a wide range. The resistivity of metals and alloys is very small. So these are very good conductors. On the other hand, resistivity of insulators is extremely large. There is also an intermediate class, that is semiconductors. It has a resistivity lies between conductors and insulators. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you like it. Also please subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos.